Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Morrigan English Academy. So good afternoon to all. I hope you all are fine. So today on 16th June of 2020 I am going to take your science class. Okay. So today we will do revision. Okay. So we will do revision about our first lesson. Okay, which is our art. Okay. So our art is made up of land and water. In some places the earth is flat and plain. In other places it is raised. In most of the places there is water. All around the earth there is air. Landforms. Our earth has different types of landforms, and these are landforms like plains, forest, desert, hills, mountains, and valleys. Yes, these are the types of landforms. Okay. So number one, plains. Okay. So what are plains? Plains are vast areas of flatlands. Different kinds of crops can grow here. Many people live here. Most cities, towns and villages are built on the plains. Okay. Number two, forest. A large that is densely covered by trees is called a forest. A large number of animals such as tiger, bear, elephants, monkeys and snakes live in forest. Okay, they live in forest. Look at this picture. This is plains are flat landforms. Many wild animals live in forest. Okay. So next is deserts. Region of the earth that are very dry and sandy are called deserts. Deserts receive very little rainfall. Only a few plants like cactus can grow in deserts. A few animals like camels are found in here. But camels are found in deserts. Okay. Next is coast. So what are coasts? Do you have any idea? Land areas near the sea are called coast. There are sandy beaches near coast. Many people live in coastal areas. Coconut trees grow very well in coastal areas. What? Coconut trees grow very well in coastal area. Okay. Next is polar regions. In polar regions, the land is always covered with lots of snow and ice. Very few plants grow in these areas. Only a few animals like polar bears and seals can survive here. What type of animals? Polar bears, like polar bears and seals can survive here. Where? In polar regions. Okay. People living in polar regions are called Inuits. Okay. People living in polar regions are called Inuits. Most Inuits live in igloos. Igloos are houses made of ice slate. Okay. What? Igloos are houses made of ice slates. So next is hills. Okay. A hill is a place which is higher than the surrounding land. Hilly areas are generally cool and pleasant. It rains very often in the hills. So the houses on the hills have sloping roofs to let the rainwater flow away. A hill is a high ground. Okay, look at this picture. Page number 4. A hill is a higher ground. Next is mountains. Okay, mountains are much bigger than hills. Some mountains are rocky, some are full of forest and animals. Some very high mountains are covered with snow. When snow melts, water starts flowing down the mountains. In this way, a river is formed. Okay, mountains are very high. So these are the mountains. Look at this picture. Okay. So last one is valleys. Okay. Valleys, a long area of lowland that lies between mountains or hill, is called a valley. Okay. Valleys are good for farming. Okay. What? Valleys are good for farming. Next is water. A large part of the earth's surface is covered with water. Water is very important for us. All living things need water to stay alive, right? Most of the water present on the earth is salty. It is present in vast water bodies called oceans and seas. Fresh water, which we can use, is present in rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. A lot of water is also stored as ice, snow. Water is also present under the ground. Our earth has many beautiful things. We should not spoil and destroy the water, air, soil, forest and mountains around us. We must protect our earth. Okay? So for today, thank you so much. Keep watching our videos.